Okay, so today we're working on problems 6 through 9. For this first one, we're going to use that log snail. And we'll have log base 3 of 2 equals 5x. When we divide both sides by 5, our answer will be log base 3 of 2 over 5. For our second one, we need to first start out by getting this log by itself. So we'll start out by subtracting 4 from both sides, giving us log base 3 of x plus 2 equals 8. And we can do that log snail, and we'll have 3 to the 8th equals x plus 2. Subtract 2, x equals 3 to the 8th minus 2. Again, you could solve for that if you wanted to, but right now that's a fine form. For number 8, we are going to actually skip that one today, and that's just because we're dealing with natural logs and we haven't gone over that yet. So for number 8, wait until Monday, and we should be able to cover it then. And for number 9, first we need to get everything to the same base, so we can use that base of 4. So 16 is 4 squared. We'll keep the 2x squared. The 4 to the 4x is already good. Same with the 4 to the third. We are going to distribute that and then add our exponents. So we'll have 4 to the 4x squared plus 4x equals 4 to the third. Now that we have the same base for each side, we can set our exponents equal to each other. So we'll have 4x squared plus 4x equals 3. We're going to subtract that 3 over, so it equals 0. Then we're going to factor this.
It's Friday.
So when we factor this, it will be... And then you'll set each of these equal to 0. And you'll have x equals 1/2 and x equals negative 3/2. If you have any questions on this, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.